Welcome to today's guide on how to prevent messages from everyone on Pinterest using your PC. With the latest update, managing your social permissions has become even easier. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon represents the settings menu, and clicking on it will take you to various options to customize your Pinterest experience. After clicking the gear icon, select Settings from the menu that appears. This section is where you can adjust different preferences related to your account. Now, look for the Social Permissions option in the Settings menu. This is crucial for managing how others can interact with you on Pinterest. Once you're in Social Permissions, find the section labeled Messages. Here, you'll see an option next to everyone else that says Edit. Click on this Edit button to access more detailed settings regarding who can send you messages. In this new window, you will see several options for message delivery. To prevent messages from everyone except those you choose, select Don't Deliver. This setting ensures that you won't receive unsolicited messages from users outside your selected contacts. After making your selection, don't forget to click on Save at the bottom of the page. This step is essential as it confirms your changes and updates your privacy settings accordingly. By following these steps, you can effectively manage who can send you messages on Pinterest, enhancing your overall experience on the platform. Remember, with these new settings, you have greater control over your interactions and can enjoy a more tailored Pinterest experience without unwanted distractions. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating Pinterest and other platforms effectively.